Well, I post a lot of pretty pictures and sunsets and glamorous machinery running all over the field, but there's also some things on the farm that aren't all that fun. Here's one of them. So we got this bin is just the same size as that one, and you can see today we had a pretty good day. Got her pretty full, so that thing's filled up. But what happens is, while we're filling it, and you got to be careful here, all this stuff is pretty slippery. I don't let any of the guys do this. This is my job. When you're filling it, these red things you see in here, we call them bees wings, but it's just little pieces of material that come off of the corn kernels, and they get pretty thick. So the truck's dumped down in that little shack, and it goes up the grain leg. It lifts it up with a bunch of cups and a belt, shoots it into the distributor, which sends it different directions. So in this case, it comes here to this conveyor, goes all the way to here, drops straight down, and there's a sliding gate kind of a thing there that's open so that the corn drops straight on down and into this bin. We get the floor covered, you turn the aeration fan on, which blows air upward. So even though that corn kernels are going down, there's a lot of that bees wings, that fine material, that gets pushed back up. And here's an old style conveyor that we got leading from this bin to this bin. Now I'm going to start filling that one next. But in all this time we've been dumping, that air flow causes these guys, and it's just fine. It fills up this auger. So before we fill that other bin, you want to come up here. We got to clean this all out so that this stuff doesn't end up on the floor of the next bin, and that will impede the air movement when we aerate the corn. It makes a lot of problems. But thank God for Milwaukee and a leaf blower, because it makes this cleanup a lot easier than going by hand. Here we go. But that's pretty well clear there, and you go over the next flighting of the auger, let her buck. All that stuff, the wind takes it out of here, cleans it up. So, might not be a glamorous job, but if you got the right tools, it's not near as bad. Have a nice night.